Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Marina Halid, your Islamiyat teacher, grade 6. Today we will continue our chapter number 2, Faith and Prayer. The topic of our discussion is prayers. Learning objectives of this lesson are: we have to able to define the Mosin and have knowledge about the meaning of Azan. Meaning of Azan. The word Azan has its origin from Arabic meaning announcement. Basically, the meaning of Azan is announcement. Today, I will tell you a story about Azan. When the Muslims migrated from Mecca to Medina, they used to agree about a fixed time for prayers, but it was very difficult for them to remember the timings because they were very busy. So, a need was therefore felt to give a call for prayers. One day, Hazrat Abdullah bin Zaid, who was a companion of Prophet ﷺ, saw a whole azan in his dream. He came to Prophet ﷺ and told him about his dream. Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ approved of it and appointed Hazrat Bilal Raziyallahu anhu to give the first call for prayers. The azan, which was called out from the newly constructed mosque that we all know as Masjid-e-Nabawi. Grade 6, this is the basic concept or the story of azan. Now, you have to define the Mosin. What is Mosin? Who is a Mosin? A person who calls people for prayers is called Mosin. This is the definition of Mosin. Who is a Mosin? A person who calls people for prayers is called a Mosin. Grade 6, you have heard that when a child is born into a Muslim family, the azan is called out into its ears, so that the first words the child hears would be those of the azan to confirm that he or she is a Muslim. Grade 6, your homework task is that you have to learn the whole azan. This is the end of today's lesson. If you people have any query, you may ask me on this email ID which is present on the slide. Allah Hafiz. Have a blessed day.